Rachel here, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, welcome. Karibu sana. So my name is Rachel, and so today we'll be talking about a very natural remedy. A very natural remedy. So if you've ever really experienced a stomach upset, or you felt like you really needed to detox, or what else? I don't know, there are just times you just feel you really need a heavy detox. And whatever I'm gonna be talking about today is that thing that helps you deal with that. Some of you have maybe used laxatives before, and laxatives can be very stressing for me personally. The last time I used one, the experience was, it wasn't. Apana. Kanza, I made a mistake of taking it right after I had supper, and I was heading to bed. That's the time I decided to take one. I didn't know, and I actually took a double dose. It was a bad experience. I wouldn't want anyone to go through that, frankly speaking. It was so bad. Like, I don't think I actually slept that night. So I from then decided to just look for an easier way. I've tried using, the way you can use moringa, you can use, green tea, but they just kind of do a simple detox. But I really wanted something that kind of cleanses, just works on my colon, and I finally found a very good solution, and I tried it out. And before I decided to even share anything with you, I decided, let me try it out. Let me not even try it out as I'm talking, because I'll probably just be saying what's happening. I'm not even sure. So I did my research and I tried it out, and now I'm here to tell you how it worked out for me. And frankly, it worked out well for me, and I'm so for real. So whatever it is, okay, it's as you have seen from the intro, it's Himalayan salt, Himalayan pink salt, natural salt, very natural. So mine is fine. So you can get the fine or the coarse, which is you just have to grind it up. But the one I have is fine, and I got it from Carrefour. So there it is. I hope you can see it well. So it's Himalayan pink natural salt, so original Himalayan crystal salt. I hope you can see that there from the label. I hope it's zoomed in. So this is how fine it is. It's kind of clamped up, so let me just show you how fine it is. The one that I bought, so there it is. So how it works, from the way I did it, from the research I did, and the way I saw most people doing it, is you just boil some water, and you have 2 tablespoons into a 1 liter bottle, or something that just measures up to a 1 liter, and then that's kind of like 4 cups, if I'm not wrong. So, and then put 2 teaspoons into it, and then gag it up, drink it all up within 5 minutes. So my first time was kind of like a fail, but anyways, at the end of the day, it worked out for me, because I had to redo it within, I said, I was like, I'm gonna redo this within the next 5 minutes, and I just boiled some more water, did the whole process afresh, and just drank it all, and it cleaned me up. So what I'm saying is, you need to be home. Mark my words, you need to be at home. Yeah, because if you're not, you're really gonna suffer. Yeah, because I mean, you'll be cleaned up, like for real, like literally cleaned. Yeah, so but it's not at all this, like, it's not uncomfortable. It's really I don't know, it's not, for me the laxative was way uncomfortable than this. But if you prefer the laxative to this, after trying it out, if you want to, then well and good. But just try it out and it's gonna do the work for you. So it's Himalayan pink salt, and so I also decided to try taking it as just a cup of water. Like, I just did like 1 cup, and then decided to put like half a teaspoon and drink it up and see how it works for me. And it actually also cleaned me up a bit. It just made things just flow easy. So if you're having a hard time going to the number two, if you're having a hard time going for number 2, this is your man, this is your bae. Like, you go, hold on tight to this one, very tight. Yeah, you're gonna thank me if you had some issue with that. I mean, it's really helpful. So if you wanna try it out, just go try it out, and I'm so sure some will be having a hard time commenting about it. But if you can, just comment down below and say how it worked for you if it did. But it's really nice. It's really friendly to your body because it's natural. Yeah, and it's also really good for food. You know, like your the normal iodine salt is not good to add after you've cooked normally, but with this you can just sprinkle it after your meals afterwards. But at the end of the day, I was talking about the laxative, and for that, this is good. Yeah, and do not try with normal table salt because it won't do anything. And yeah, some might try and it might not work. Usinikasirikie. Yeah, but ukijaribu ikusaidie, good for you. Yeah, so go ahead, try it out. Yep. If you feel that video was informative and you liked it, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Yes, that big word red button that's written in white. Hit it. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell. And just know I love you all so much. And love and light as always.